Ciao Tesla people. Today a new episode of the Supercharger Talk. I think it's number 10. We'll talk about new things that have been updated in the spring update that I done yesterday. And we'll talk about other things around Tesla. And I need to do a charge with the new provider, so hopefully everything works. And we'll go to the high-speed charger. I think it's 150 kilowatts. Let's see how it goes, okay? So I just got here to the charging station, and I need to figure out the cables. Which one is which? Let's see. So these are the cables, 1 and 2. Let's see if there is the one or two. Should be this guy. So let's so one should be this guy. Okay, on this up warning. Okay, are you sure you want to recharge? I'm sure. Flat. Nothing. He gave me the other one. Okay, whatever. I plugged. Blue, 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 blue. It's thinking. Green. Okay. It's charging. Okay, the labeling on the app is wrong because it mentioned number 1, it was the other one, and they gave me number 2. Anyway, it's recharging. The speed is 98 kilowatts. Here's the new I. 20 minutes remaining. I'm charging up to 80%, 98 kilowatts speed. And that's it. I'm at 39%, so we'll take half an hour, it says. I'm going to do some shopping and I'll be back. So I'm back. I just did some shopping. 50 minutes remaining. Okay, great. I went really fast shopping, so. Still charging at 75 kilowatts. Pretty cool. Anyway, I wanted to talk about this new software update, the so-called spring update. It took a while to get it. I think we are at the record of 1 month without updates, at least for me. Usually we're every 2-3 weeks. Now it took a little bit more, and the reason most likely is that Tesla released the spring update, and then they figured out that there were some bugs and differences in countries and cars, and took a little bit longer. And actually they already released 2, I think it's 2024.14.9 and .11. I'm on .8 right now, so they are updating constantly, most likely because it was a huge update, and it took a bit. Also some bug fixes, of course. I'm saying it was a huge, not only because new features, the new UI stuff, okay, which is really cool, I love it, but it took 1 hour to install, around 1 hour. Usually it takes 30-35 minutes. So they changed quite a bit. There were some things that are not available everywhere for every car. For example, yesterday I thought the speed chime camera. So when you have a speed camera, you'll get a chime notification. So if you go to, where is it? Now I have to figure out where is it. I think it was in navigation. Okay, here. Speed camera chime. Yesterday, I didn't have this. I installed it yesterday, okay? So after the installation, it wasn't present. And then this morning, I got a blue dot here. Usually when you have a Bluetooth, it means a new feature. And now I can select the speed camera chime, which is pretty cool. What else? The other thing that I thought were new was the opening of the trunk by standing beside or near the trunk. That actually right now is available only for Model X, S, and the new 3, the Highlander. Hopefully it comes to other cars, because it really depends on the phone you have, because it uses a ultra wideband from your smartphones, which means not all smartphones have this feature. iPhone 11 Plus, they do have it, and I have a Samsung S24 Ultra, it has it. So hopefully it will come to Android too. Right now it's available only for iPhones and for those cars. Hopefully it comes to Model Y too. It will be a very helpful feature to have, especially when you do shopping, grocery shopping and stuff. The other thing that I wanted to mention, besides the UI things, changes the interface for the media part. What I wanted to, there's a software, okay, yeah, 211. There was a auction, also there was a gaming download update. I didn't record it because it just did the download installation right away, and there is no interaction with the driver, so I couldn't record anything. Now I wanted to test, what I'm curious about is the Sentry mode. So if I turn on Sentry mode and something happen, you're away from the car, now you're supposed to receive a notification if something going on around the car, okay? Not only a notification, but you're supposed to receive a video clip. So I wanted to test that. Also, there is a new feature. If you go into service mode, there is the option to see the consumption of your air filters. So there should be like a percentage of the air filter degrading, and so you will be able to figure out when to change the filters, which is a very good feature to have. The only thing, you need to go in service mode. Service mode, you have to always be careful, because you can mess stuff around. So I wouldn't suggest to go there and check stuff all the time. And what else? Oh, I have a new video coming out today of 22 undocumented new features that this software update did. So check it out on the YouTube channel. And please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to improve my videos and keep going, because I really like to do this kind of videos. I'm very curious about this technology of this car. Okay, so please subscribe and put a like. What else? Now I'm 5 minutes away and still 64 kilowatts charging. I'm at 85%. No, 80% limit. Let me go to what is charging. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't put any option here. It doesn't show you the price because it's from a third-party app. It's not a Supercharger. Oh, the other thing is here in Dynamics, they moved some controls. Before they were in other places. So the Dynamics will have an acceleration option, the steering. You can customize, of course, and then the stopping mode, so the regenerative braking, always put on hold. And then there is a off-road assist and sleep start, which is pretty cool. So there has a new tab, okay? Navigation, we talk about the speed chime. You can view the live camera from mobile app. Now this some of these new features depends on your, you need to have a premium connectivity, otherwise you won't be able to use them. For example, the Sentry mode, you need to have premium connectivity, okay? So, charging is done. Let me stop the charging. Confirmation and charging, yes. Let me unplug the here and put it back. And done. So let me check how much I charged from the app. Let's see if I have some statistics. Let's see, statistics, transaction history. Yeah, it doesn't have information. Okay, but I'm at 80%. Everything went well. I'm pretty happy about it. I didn't have any problems besides the labeling is wrong. Actually, in the app, not there. But that's okay. Anyway, continue with the Supercharger Talk, and I'll see you later. So anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.